These are the 5 types of sound effects that every editor should know. Number 1. Whooshes are fast, sweeping sounds that are great for covering transitions. Number 2. A riser is a sound that builds up, creating tension and anticipation. Number 3. Bass hits are deep, impactful sounds that emphasize dramatic moments or punchy cuts. Use them to create a sense of weight or finality. Number 4. Stingers are short, sharp sounds often used to punctuate an important moment or transition. They grab attention and highlight key moments. Number 5. Ambient sounds like wind, city noise, or nature sounds set the atmosphere and immerse the audience in your scene. These are essential for creating mood. If you want these sound effects, comment SFX and I will send you these sound effects.